Hello everyone, well last time I showed you how to make an ice cream cake pop, and this one is a triple scoop ice cream cake pop with 3 different flavors. That's a Neapolitan cake pop. So on my last video I showed you how to make cake pops with and without the cake pop maker. I've left a link down below to that. So I've got a batch of vanilla cake batter and I've made some vanilla cake balls, and I've got a little bit of cake batter, added some strawberry essence and pink food coloring, mixed that up really well, and done the same for chocolate. Put some chocolate powder onto my vanilla cake batter, mix that up really well, and then pipe them in your cake pop maker, and it should be ready in 4 to 5 minutes. If you don't have a cake pop maker, like I said before, you can make it by hand with some buttercream or ganache. So I have my melted chocolate, and I'm going to take my cone, dip it in the chocolate, and then take my cake bowl and then stick that onto the cone. I have some cake pop sticks, and then I'm going to insert that to the end of the cone so that it stays as a support for the next two, the strawberry and the vanilla cake ball, to stay on there without falling over when we cover them in chocolate. Now that it's set, I'm going to take my chocolate, and then with a spoon I'm just going to pour some chocolate over the cake ball and cover the whole cake pop in the chocolate. And before it dries out, I want to take the next cake ball, which is the strawberry flavor, and then stick that on top of the chocolate flavor so that it dries out and stays firm. Now that my first layer is set, as you can see, I'm just going to coat my strawberry cake balls in the pink chocolate, melted chocolate, with a spoon, just like that. Let the excess chocolate drip, and then put on your last cake ball, which is the vanilla flavored cake ball, and then let that set up in the fridge for about half an hour. Now I've got my white chocolate and my strawberry cake ball is now set, so I'm just going to coat my vanilla cake ball in some white melted chocolate. So here I've got some yellow melted chocolate, some fondant balls, and some hundreds and thousands. So I'll take my yellow melted chocolate and then make some drips on top of my cake pop, just like that, and put some hundreds and thousands on top of it, and then place my fondant ball on top. And that's it guys, that's my very cute Neapolitan ice cream cake pop. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another video.